Here's how to create this glowing text reveal in After Effects. Start with a text layer. Go to Animate, Opacity. Under Range Selector 1, keyframe offset from 0 to 100 over 1 second. Set opacity to 0. Duplicate the layer and hide the base text. Go to Range Selector 1, this time keyframe end from 0 to 100. Under Advanced, set mode to Subtract. Reduce smoothness to 50 for a sharper reveal. Enable stroke and disable fill for this layer. Turn the original text layer back on. To add color, create a solid and apply 4-color gradient. Choose warm tones like orange, yellow, and red. Now Alt-click each color point and add expression. Wiggle, 0.5, 1000. Repeat for all 4 points. Set the solid layer as a track matte to the stroke layer. Apply Deep Glow Effect. Adjust the settings according to your liking. You can also switch from stroke to fill if preferred. Just adjust the glow accordingly. That's how you can create glowing text reveal in After Effects. Subscribe for more quick tutorials. Cheers!